Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel where we make yummy and delicious and mouth-watering dish. If this is your first time, you are welcome, and if you have subscribed before, I want to say thank you. Today we are making banana pancake. Yeah, banana pancake, you heard me right. I hope you will enjoy this video. So come with me as we prepare this tasty and mouth-watering pancake. I will be using the following ingredients, which are very simple to get. I have here some eggs, some honey. You can use sugar, any sugar of your choice. I have here almond milk, vanilla extract, maple syrup, almond flour. You can use any flour of your choice. I have some chopped almond, banana, baking powder, and finally some strawberry. With no further ado, let's jump right into the video. First, I will peel my banana and put into a clean bowl, and then mash with the back of my fork until I get a creamy paste. As usual, I will leave the list of ingredients down below, and please don't forget to check it out. The next thing for me to do is to crack my 2 eggs into the banana mash and whisk. Now I will be adding the almond milk. Another thing is you can use any milk of your choice, such as pig milk, fresh milk, goat milk, or even coconut milk. Just do you, and then I will continue to whisk. However, I will grab my honey and add into the liquid mix. You can go ahead to use sugar of any type, such as brown or white sugar, but for today's recipe I will be using honey and continue to whisk. At this point, I will be adding the vanilla extract, or you can use the powdered vanilla extract, and then I will whisk as well. Now that I have mixed all the liquid together properly, I will now add the almond flour bit by bit and whisk. Again, you can as well use any flour of your choice. I will be adding a little milk to my batter again. When you discover it is too thick, you can do so to loosen it up a bit, but I will advise you leave it like that because I later added some flour to my batter. Now I will be adding the baking powder, and then I will continue to whisk. I will be covering this up with film paper or transparent paper and leave to sit for 30 minutes. Better still, you can as well cook this immediately. Now that it is 30 minutes already, I will be cooking this, but before then I will stir this up a bit and then straight to my pan. But make sure you grease your pan a little with oil or butter, then add your butter into the pan and cook this gently in a low heat so that the pancake will not burn. Once it starts to bubble on top, flip it to the other side and allow it to cook for another few minutes, and then take it out of the pan. I will repeat the same thing for the second batch. Guys, can you see the bubble on top of the pancake? That is how to know that your pancake is cooking. And gently flip it up. Wow, look at that, guys. Look at how beautiful it is. I hope you try this out. Please try and make this recipe. Guys, you can eat this pancake like this, or you can also serve it with some maple syrup, with some strawberry, or anything of your choice. I will go ahead to decorate this up with some syrup, and thereafter I will add the next ingredients. I will add some strawberries, I will finally add the chopped almond. You can decorate yours with banana, with blueberries, raspberry, or any fruit of your choice. Do not forget to make this recipe, and when you do, please tag me, and don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share with your friends and family. I guess my job here is done. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.